I would enjoy seeing your lab.
Oh. Yeah, sure. If you want, you can come tomorrow.
I look forward to it. Well, I think I'm going to turn in. Good night, Penny. Good night, dear.
Night.
Good night, Beverly. Wow, she's being really nice.
Yeah, clearly one of us is dying. Come on, her.
Or you accomplish something great and she's genuinely proud.
All right, you've had enough.
Nice to see you. Leonard was just showing me his new lab.
Oh, yes, experimental physics, the carpentry of the science world. Well, I'm here to rescue you from the boredom.
Not necessary. This is really quite interesting.
But?
But nothing.
Oh. Well, if you want to see something really interesting, I could show you my work, which is being talked about for a Nobel Prize.
Oh, well, I'd love to see it later, but right now I'm spending time with my son.
I knew there was a but. Wait, what?